Welcome to Inside India. This is Jyoti. Let's get started. Several people are feared trapped under the rubble after a three-story building collapsed in Navi Mumbai Shahbaz village on Saturday morning. Police, fire brigade and NDRF team are present at the spot and carrying out the rescue operation. Kailash Shinde, Navi Mumbai Municipal Corporation Commissioner, said that the building collapsed at around 5 a.m. This is a G+3 building. The Shahbaz villagers falls under Belapur ward. There were 13 flats in the building. 2 persons have been rescued and 2 are likely trapped. NDRF teams are at the spot. A rescue operation is underway, Kailash Shinde told reporters.
रहेगा बहुत सांगू शकत नाही.
साइड में चलो तुम लोग बाकी लोग बाकी